Is dropshipping dead? Can you still earn through it in 2023? It's time in the digital age that dropshipping became obsolete. One of the most profitable e-commerce business, which generate hundreds of millions of homemade earnings. Dropshipping business is still in existence, but many of us will agree dropshipping business requires the necessary skills and planning. Reasons why people say dropshipping business is dead. This is what people say, and I don't fully agree with them. Dropshipping business is dead because its hype years are gone. The trend graph from Facebook shows how often we look for dropshipping keywords across all searches. In 2019, e-commerce alone represented 7% of the retail turnover across 89 countries. Dropshipping business is dead because of extreme competition. Dropshipping is dead because you can't make any money from it. Dropshipping will be dead after dropsurfing replaces it. Is dropshipping saturated in 2022? Dropshipping isn't products or services, simply a fulfillment process to be fulfilled by your customers. If drops become saturated, a large number of product drop-off options that can be offered for sale in an instant becomes saturated. This saturation drops the product on sale. The demand for these goods is so great the product cannot be sold for much. Is dropshipping worth it? Dropshipping isn't worthwhile for those with an unlimited income in such a short period of time. Many of the dropshippers use Shopify. These companies concentrate on lowering customer service expectations when they are running retail shops on the market as compared to the usual retailers. In general, these manufacturers sell products once. That causes bad product performance, but also decreases trust in the business model in general. Is dropshipping a dying practice in 2022? It is not dying, and you can see in the above image that the trend of searching the word dropshipping is growing. It is also possible to determine who's still searching for the word dropshipping. Tell me the biggest challenge dropshippers will face in 2022. Dropshipping is an extremely lucrative industry that needs remuneration for technical knowledge, patience, and analysis in order to achieve the desired outcome. If you are no longer willing to go under the wing and face aggressive competition from the outside, you cannot enter this industry. Is dropshipping dead in 2022? By 2025, dropshipping businesses will be worth $55.9 trillion. Drop hackers usually never get to die in life, except that there will always be a difference in work procedures. Back then, AliExpress alone had been the only true leader in the industry. During the past decades, dropshipper relationships have been extended to wholesale distributors. Is dropshipping still profitable? With more people leaving online platform AliExpress, dropshipping is increasingly being seen as an alternative method of delivery. E-commerce and dropshipper revenues have increased from 20.57% in 2005 to 41.93% in 2010. Why are dropshipping stores so profitable? Some dropshipping brands are thriving in some markets, but it remains unclear why dropshippers are so profitable, but some are booming elsewhere as opposed. Their buyers' attention will always be top of mind. Yes, dropshippers can ship their products at reduced costs so that you can compensate a little and make the customer better offended. But as dropshipping companies try to stay resilient through 2022, they should be a priority. Why are some stores thriving while others are not? Poor website design. Even though advertising is excellent, it has little effect at all. Low realism pictures with little detail are discouraged to buyers. Picking the wrong niche. If there is already a huge competition, then jump into this field with a huge budget or select the low competition niche, which is growing as well. Giving up too soon. Some people think they may make their first income off of drop shipping within a day. If drop shipping is real, drop shipping will actually cause you to never have very large earnings. Not enough investment. Launching dropshippers stores is not expensive. The same thing can happen with inventory, no product needed for purchases prior to. However, advertisements need money. Based on how quickly one wants to get customers and how well it has been at your analysis, the cost could range from hundreds of thousands of dollars. Poor customer support. These relations are very crucial to your customer's success, as does your time it takes you to ship. When selling something, one must remain within the client's reach. some who do not understand it will fail. 3 tips to start a successful dropshipping business in 2022. The dropshipping industry is now preparing to enter into a huge business scenario in the year 2019. To stand out from other entrepreneurs and gain leads, a good strategy must be prepared. We'll see what steps you can take to grow a successful dropshipping company. Find the right supplier. A successful dropshipper company depends overwhelmingly upon the quality of the products supplied. If the supplier cannot produce high-quality services in a timely manner, your reputation may become severely affected. Provide excellent customer service. To provide exceptional customer support, your website must have contact details for your customers to contact you easily, a chatbot that could help customers support you around the clock. Improved customer service can lead to repeat business. Choose the right niche. Choose one niche instead. It might be useful to select a niche like appliances and accessories. When selecting niches for online dropships, you should look at several factors. Final words. Is dropshipping dead? With the large number of e-commerce online shops around the world, dropshipping is getting down, but it is not dead yet. It's thus necessary for people with dropshipping plans to conduct extensive research, pick a trending product list, and begin selling it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like this video or subscribe to this channel.